In this video, I will show you how to download and install Telegram in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's do it. First of all, you just need to open your browser and simply go to search bar and type here Telegram and search it. Then select desktop and here you can find get Telegram for Windows. So simply select it. So after select, it automatically start for downloading. So after download, here you can see just select the folder and then here you can see just double click, and after that select OK and then select next, again next, and here next, and finally install. So you just need to wait for installing. So here you can see, and after install just finished. So here you can see, in this way you can very easily download and install Telegram in your PC. Thank you everyone for watching this video.